Do you want to make your website pop with a stunning Glassmorphism button effect? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create this elegant Glassmorphism button using just HTML and CSS, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's start with the HTML. In the body, we have a div with class container. This is just a wrapper to center our button. Inside it, we have a simple button element with the text generate. That's all we need for the HTML, very clean and minimal. Now, the magic happens in CSS. We start with button to style our button. Border 0 removes the default button border. Sets the text color. Font size, 2 rem makes the text nice and big. Width 250 pixels and height 70 pixels gives our button a large, click-friendly size. Border radius 50 pixels rounds the corners into a pill shape. Background linear gradient. Here's where we start creating the glass-like gradient. It goes from light gray to dark gray to teal for depth. Position relative lets us position the pseudo element later. Transition. All 0.3 seconds. Ease in out makes hover effects smooth. Z-index 10 ensures the button stays above its shadow layer. Cursor pointer changes the cursor to a hand on hover. We enhance the effect with button after. Content makes it exist. Position absolute places it exactly where we want. Height 90%, width 97% makes it slightly smaller than the button to give an inset look. Background linear gradient. Another gradient for that glossy inner look. Top 50%. Left 50%. Transform, translate X minus 50%. Y minus 50% perfectly centers it. Border radius inherit copies the button's rounded shape. Z-index -1 places it behind the text but still inside the button. Button hover. When you hover, the text changes color, giving a nice interactive feedback. And that's it. We now have a modern Glassmorphism style button with smooth gradients, depth, and hover interaction, all with just HTML and CSS. If you love creating beautiful UI elements like this, I've got something for you. My Beginner's Guide to Front-End Development. It's a short, easy-to-follow guide that shows you exactly how to start learning the basics, step by step, without feeling overwhelmed. You can grab your copy link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more web development tutorials, and let me know in the comments what UI effect you want me to make next. See you in the next one.